When it comes to factors that dramatically affect how our skin ages, unfortunately, that extra spoonful of sugar really does perpetuate accelerated skin aging. While glucose is important for fuel for our body, too much of it, unfortunately, creates havoc for our skin. What happens is those glucose molecules are binding with proteins, DNA, and other vital molecules in our body. And the result is a reaction known as glycation. Now, glycation is causing cross-linking of proteins. And when that happens, we get what are called advanced glycation end products. So the acronym AGE is pretty poignant because it really does accelerate our aging process. So let's take a look at how that happens in the skin. So our skin is made up collagen, which is about 75 or 80% of the protein in our skin, and it provides the strength of our skin. The second most abundant protein is elastin. It's about 10%, and it provides flexibility in our skin. And it also gives our skin firmness. So when we start damaging those proteins through this process of glycation, we end up with proteins that actually become rigid. And the appearance of this on the surface of the skin is a cross-hatching effect. This is actually a very common skin condition, and people don't understand that this is not part of the normal aging process. This is a dietary problem. And the secondary effect of the glycation process is that we are dramatically increasing the production of free radicals and oxidative stress, which is further compounding the accelerated aging. So glycation is a dietary problem, and too many processed foods in our diet promote accelerated skin aging. So what we need to do is take a look at where those sugars are in our diet. Unfortunately, most of them are hidden, and they are in the processed foods that we eat. So eliminating or modulating the amount of processed foods is going to be really vital. The other thing we look at is insulin resistance. So if you're unhealthy and you have excess blood sugar, you're carrying extra body fat, then you more than likely have developed some form of insulin resistance. And you're going to have chronically high levels of glucose circulating in your blood, which is the perfect template for this glycation process to happen. So the solution is, when facing skin issues, we need to look at many factors that are the underlying root cause of where our skin issues are coming from. We need to look at what we're putting on our skin, how we're protecting our skin, our lifestyle, but we also very much need to look at our dietary factors. And excess glucose is clearly a factor that is accelerating the aging of our skin. If you want more information on how to plan a skin healthy diet for your skin type and condition, visit skinrni.com.